Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best handheld mixer you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the handheld mixer on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which hand mixer are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Lil Partner Electric Hand Mixer. For maximum mixing needs, this product has 5-speed turbo button setting, use 3-dimensional blowing to improve mixing efficiency and reduce blowing time. With ultra power of 400 watts effectively improves the speed of mixing, effectively solves many problems for your kitchen, such as whipping cream, mixing eggs, kneading dough and many more. It is very portable and you can take it to any place you want. The gorgeous white and silver shape can be perfectly integrated with your kitchen decoration. The round handle can bring comfort to your operation. The perfect shape design is easy to wipe, which will greatly save cleaning time. For more details, let's watch more. Our second best handheld mixer is Braun Hand Mixer. With completely sealed system and sleek design, Braun Hand Mixer is comfortable control and ergonomic, super soft grip keeps you comfortably in control. For 350 watts it's generate 50% more power than other hand mixer. A simple turn of the Vario control speed dial is all it takes to adjust the speed while you mix something. This smart mix technology delivers an inline vertical motor design that shifts the weight of the mixer out of your hand and into the bowl. Its easy clean design has a completely sealed system, so nothing gets inside the housing, and dishwasher safe parts make cleaning easy. Let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Breville BHM 800 Sil Hand Mixer. The Breville BHM 800 Sil Handy Mix Scraper with intuitive ergonomic control and beater IQ automatically adjusts power to suit what you're mixing. Features an intuitive 9-speed selector, plus boost, with an easy-to-use scroll wheel is electronically controlled to spin at a precise speed no matter what the load. Accessories include 2 scraper beaters, 2 dough hooks, and 2 balloon whisks which are housed in a storage case which clips under the unit so nothing gets lost. Pause function holds your setting while you prepare or add ingredients. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Dash Electric Hand Mixer. Make mixing easy with the Dash Easy Store Hand Mixer. Its unique compact design allows for it to store in a standard pull-out drawer. Its 3-speed operation allow it to mix, beat, blend and whip. One touch eject button allows for easy and quick cleanup. With low, medium, or high-speed controls let you quickly mix, blend, or whip egg whites, cake batter, cookie dough, whipped cream and more at the touch of a button. For known about this compact hand mixer, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best handheld mixer is Lord Eagle Electric Hand Mixer. With a perfect packaging gift box design, this Lord Eagle Electric Hand Mixer has 5 speeds with ejection button that you can experience best mixing different speed. It has 400 watts powerful motor and fast heat dissipation which can make mixed dough, eggs, milk, butter, cake or even cream quickly, efficiently and easily, and that is very most durable option. It's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product videos, we randomly provide special giveaway offer. So, please subscribe Best Pick list for more product deal and guide on your feed. You can also check description for product link and updated prices. Happy shopping!